Hey, just checking in on you. Somebody checked in on you today? Make sure you're doing okay. Take care of yourself, okay? On to the video. Screw the numbers. I'm zen as heck. Look at this big son of a gun. This is Max. Show him some respect. I stopped counting once this number got above 10K. Good enough for the video title. But I mean, just look at all this stuff. 2K webcams, 128 gigs of RAM. Dude, somewhere in here, look at this. $400 on fans? $400 on fans? Here's the Twitch analytics dashboard. We're checking out the average viewer count by week for the month of May. Every one of these people in here chilling in my stream, well, it's basically friends and family. Gosh dang it, I appreciate them. They're the frickin' best. It's my own little corner of the internet. But Max, oh, Max, absolute machine. I don't even give a crap about the numbers. I really don't. I love this thing. I love Max. He is the best. Can we just talk about my computer, guys? I'm sorry. Can we just talk about Max? On today's episode, we talk about water cooling. I do a funky dance. And I make memes about very old movies. Now, today's episode is not sponsored by my good friend Sniper Monkey. You can find him on YouTube.
I've got anal leakage. How'd you know? Don't clip that.
He's got a Discord you can hang out in, and if you catch him while he's live streaming, you can always chat him up and hang out with him. Hang him up. Hang him out. Hang him. Then rawhide. It's also not sponsored by viewers like yourself. Thanks for investing the time. Okay, not an ad read, done. Look, let's just get straight down to the way this cookie crumbles. Max is actually running more cameras than a reality TV show. And it's been a lot of cameras for a while now. Make no mistake. The green screen is new, and I still have cameras I'm not even using. Like I've got this camera of Wiley, but there's all this crap on the ground from a new chair. And of course, I would be remiss in my duties if I didn't mention the printer cams as well. Oh my God, it's a whole house of cameras. I didn't always have old Maximillian to run all these cameras. Maximillian is son of Goofy, by the way.
The perfect cast.
The perfect what?
Between cameras, keyboards, microphones, and other stuff charging off of Max, I'm using more USB ports than the average computer actually has available. You know, on the back of your motherboard, all those ports, you know, the ones you forget to cover with the I/O shield, those are actually running through the chipset of your motherboard. And your chipset, it has only so much bus available. More often than not, there's going to be a USB controller within that chipset. But even if you have that one USB controller with heckin' ports, you might have 4 ports, for example, to the one controller. And you can easily overwhelm that controller. I've done it in the past with the computer I had before Max. But with the power of Max, we can port all the different USB controllers through the PCIe Express lanes. Now, once again, your average computer only has so many lanes, but Max is special. Max is Threadripper Ryzen powered. That means I've got 128 PCI lanes that I can just wipe the floor with anything. Max has an absolutely massive motherboard setup. Attached to that motherboard are 3 USB cards, as well as 2 GPUs. There's the one old GPU, and that's mostly just used to render everything on stream. Then there's the newer GPU, and that's used to render stuff for games, and more importantly, everything through VR. This bad boy fits so many PCIe cards. And really, that's what makes Max special, is just that absolute unlimited bandwidth. But to me, what makes Macs just absolutely special beyond any computer I've ever owned is it's actually the first computer that I built a custom water loop for. Now, you can probably tell by the title that I tried to leverage Macs as a little bit of a clickbait. I also thought that I might be able to throw some kind of computer builder montage thing together, but oh gosh, I am not that guy. But not only am I way too busy to try and learn color correction for YouTube builder video montages, there's no point in me bragging about a bunch of money that I've spent on this because I clearly get zero bitches. Getting Macs built and rolling and doing all this recording stuff is obviously a big portion of this channel, and I just really enjoy this stuff. That's the big thing that I was reminded of while I was, doing all this recording and yapping about how awesome my computer was. So, yeah, I just enjoy it, man. Don't know what else to say besides that, right? So if you don't mind me saying, find something you love and stick to it. Like a big drum kit. Find your big drum kit.
You gotta find your big, just gigantic drum kit, you know?
Anyways, stay goofy, my friends.
If we listen to each other.
Alrighty. That's it for this video. That's the end. Bye-bye. Not for real. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I appreciate you stopping by and checking it out and watching till the end and, all the good stuff. I truly do hope to hear from you. Comments or messages on other platforms or whatever it may be. Well, alrighty. Bye-bye.